Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to deal with one of the most important and most diverse group of plants, or you can say one of the most important division of kingdom plant. And this division is named as angiosperms. And the literal meaning of the word angiosperms is angion means vessel and sperma means seed. That means in this group of plants, the seeds are enclosed in vessel-like structures. They are not naked like gymnosperms. याद रखना, they are not naked like gymnosperms, but instead they are enclosed in vessel-like structures, and these vessel-like structures are nothing but the fruits. Okay, and this group of plants is the most evolutionary advanced group. They are present almost everywhere in almost every type of habitat on the planet Earth. Okay, and they are represented by some 3 lakh species, and this is the largest group of plants which is known so far. Okay, and they occur in both terrestrial as well as in aquatic habitats. Let's get started with some general characters, with some diagnostic features of this group which distinguishes them from the rest of the plants. The pollen grains and ovules in this group of plants, they are produced in specialized structures which are known as flowers. Okay, here you have a flower, and the flower is having some four types of organs. You have sepals, you have petals, you have androecium, and you have gynoecium. Okay, and the androecium is constituted of stamens. Stamen is actually the male reproductive organ. Okay, and this stamen is constituted of filament, and it is constituted of anther, and inside this anther the pollen grains are produced. Okay, and here right in the middle of this flower you have this carpel or pistil. Okay, and this carpel or pistil, this is known as gynoecium, and it is having three parts. It is having stigma which receives the pollen grains, it is having style, and it is having this ovary, and this ovary contains seeds or ovules. Okay, and actually this ovary, it later on after fertilization, it gives rise to fruit, and hence the seeds are enclosed inside these fruits. Okay, and here you can see this is the tomato fruit, and inside this tomato fruit you are having seeds. Okay, the seeds are enclosed in this fruit, and hence they are known as angiosperms. This group of plants, they occur in a wide range of habitats because they are diverse. Okay, they are having a large number of species, and the probability that these species occur in all habitats is high. Now their size, they range in size from tiny almost microscopic wolfia. You have to remember that wolfia is the smallest angiosperm, and this wolfia, it is rootless, it does not possess roots. Okay, here you can see this is very small, which is very minute in size, to the tall trees of eucalyptus, which is over 100 meters tall. Eucalyptus is the tallest angiosperm, and its height can reach over 100 meters. Okay, it can reach a height of over 100 meters. Okay, now something about their importance, something about their importance to the survival of humans. Okay, we directly or indirectly depend on angiosperms for everything we need in our day-to-day life. For example, all our food, it directly or indirectly comes from plants. Okay, the fodder that we need to feed our domestic animals, it also comes from plants, and the fuel we consume and the fuel we burn, it also comes from plants. Okay, and the medicines that we use, it also comes from these plants, angiosperms. And there are several other commercially important products that we use in our day-to-day life. These all products, directly or indirectly, they come from the angiosperms. Okay, now their classification, how they are classified. Broadly speaking, the angiosperms are divided into two major classes, the dicotyledons and the monocotyledons. Okay, dicotyledons are those angiosperms in which the embryo, which is lodged inside the seed, contains two embryonic leaves. That means after germination, two cotyledons come out of the soil. Okay, here you can see this is the dicotyledons sapling. Okay, and it contains two embryonic leaves. These two are the leaves which are formed after germination. Okay, that means in the embryonic stage, the embryo contains two cotyledons, two embryonic leaves. Cotyledons are nothing but embryonic leaves. Okay, so you can simply remember that dicotyledons are those angiosperms in which the embryo possesses two embryonic leaves, and the monocotyledons, those angiosperms in which the embryo possesses only a single cotyledon. Here you can see this is the single cotyledon that appears after the germination of monocotyledons seeds. Okay, this is all for today, and in the next class inshallah we will discuss the reproduction in angiosperms. Till then, God bless you and thank you all.